municipal authority has issued local area emergency for the following counties or areas. Madison at 10:02 am on May 12, 2021, effective until 10:32 am. Appalachia, a 3-year-old black male, 3FT tall, 37 lbs, black hair W/brown eyes, wearing a green striped t-shirt and black pants, blue stripe. Abdul wandered from his home near Pendleton and was last seen on Wednesday, May 12, 2021 at 1:46 am. Contact Madison, Colorado, Sheriff 765-642-0221.
Okay, that's kind of a fail because he said Colorado. They mean Madison County. It's my first local area emergency, though.